HD. Instant replay. Talk about the pool of hard knocks. See, this happens because pool filters operate under incredibly high pressure, generated by a mixture of water and air. If too much pressure builds up and the clamp around the lid is faulty or old, the lid can explode off, just like this. Pool filters can commonly cause extremely grievous injury by blowing up in people's faces. And here the pool filter not only exploded in Ryan's face, somehow without hitting him, but also narrowly avoided hitting his floating wife, so they're both incredibly lucky it didn't go worse.